If you take the seeds from your Big Mac, put them in water and wait 3 days, you'll be able to grow your own sesame. If you cut a potato in half and plant each half, then you'll have free potatoes for life. If you take a sweet potato, stick 3 toothpicks in it, and leave it to soak in water. It will sprout and you can plant it in your garden. If you cut the stalk of a celery plant and leave it to soak in water, then you can grow it again and again. If you take some green onion stalks, put them in an egg carton and soak them in water, you'll be able to grow them again, free of charge and ad infinitum. If you cut up some onions, put them in the ground and water them, you'll get free onions for life. If you take a mango, cut it up cleanly, and collect the seed, then you can grow your own mangoes for free at home, again and again. If the leaves on your plants are damaged, put some rusty nails in a bottle of water, leave to soak overnight, and then water your plants with this mixture. The iron in it helps oxygenate your plants. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the organic link, then you can pick up my free 100% gardening guide.